Are you single?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
You're single.
I'm
Do you have driver's license? Sir?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Can I check?
Sana all naka-picture si. 1, 2, smile. Your shoe, little.
Yeah, here, Tony.
Your shoe. Are you single?
Yeah.
oh my god!
You're single.
I'm Karen.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You tell your name.
I rode to Sagada Beach.
Sagada,
Yeah.
Mountain Province.
Yeah, yeah. And then I stayed in Arroyo after that. Banganan.
What place? Ay, Pangasinan.
Yeah. And then I
What's
went
your next destination?
Vegan City tonight.
Vegan City.
Yeah. Yeah.
Going to Manila.
Yeah, I'll head back down the coast towards Manila after that.
Do you have driver's license? Sir?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Can I check?
Of course.
John Ryan Andrew C.
Chapman. Yeah.
License for 2026 1991.
Yep.
33 years old.
33. Yeah. How old are you?
33.
Oh, really? There you go.
Same
The same. So you were born in 91.
What?
You were born in 1991 as well.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
What month?
November the 9th.
November. I'm older 1 month.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, there you go. That's cool.
Nice. Safe.
Thank you.
Drive safely.
Thank you. I will. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.